What's up, guys? We're here at the ranch in Utah, about to do a little fishing in the river. I will be fly fishing later, but I'm just kind of feeling out the hookup baits in the river, seeing how they work and such. I'm fishing a spin today. It should be fun. Walking downstream right now. I'm gonna work my way up to the dam, and hopefully we can catch some big brownies, maybe a couple rainbows. We're going to be totally fishing the 2-inch hookup baits, so should be fun. Oh yeah! Look at that hookup bait right in his mouth. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. No way! No way! It's not a big fish, but it's a smallmouth in the river. We never catch these in the river, ever. Got him! Yeah! Oh my! Got him! Oh! Now we got him. Wow. They don't really care what color it is. It's just the size and the action of the bait, it seems. I'm sure color matters a little bit, but that hookup bait is just doing the job. Smallmouth bass. No way. I just caught a smallmouth bass in the river. That is the coolest thing ever. Oh my gosh. On the hookup baits, of course. Little smallie. That is so rad. That is so rad. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh. There we go. Beautiful fish. There he goes. Here we go. Here we go. He's not too big. Get him, baby. Ah, almost. Yeah! Fish. So rad. On the hookup bait, of course. Beautiful brown trout. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah! Look at that brownie. Got a nice brownie on here, guys. Look at that fish. Look at that hookup bait right in the corner of the mouth. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Those are all 20-inch fish. Oh my god! Are you freaking joking me right now? Got one. Got one. Yes. Finally. Oh my gosh. That was absurd. This guy's pissed. Oh my gosh. Oh shit. Absolutely insane. Some of those trout were seriously big. Oh, got him right there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. That's so sick. Oh, he spit it. Oh, we got a nice one here. Hookup bait right in the mouth. Get the hookup bait out of there. Kicking up some bites. There he is. Wow, that's a really pretty brown trout. Another beautiful brown trout. See you, buddy.